Hello everyone, this is Cynthia from Hitech Circuits Co Limited in Shenzhen, China. Today I'd like to introduce this special PCB for you. It is used in LED products. This is a one-layer copper-based PCB board. The raw material is copper-based. The solder mask is white. The surface finish is OSP. The copper thickness is 1 ounce. Finish thickness is 1.2 millimeters. The thermal conductivity is 3 watts. Here are two special points in this board, as you can see. Firstly, here used depth routing on top side. Secondly, plated half-hole made for this board. We Hitech Circuits not only provide PCB manufacturing service, also provide service of component sourcing and assembly for our customers. If you have interest, please feel free to contact me. See you next time.